In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Vestiaire Collective. This easy-to-follow guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly and ensure that your transaction is completed without a hitch. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and look for Vestiaire Collective. Simply type it into the search bar and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the very first link. This will take you directly to the Vestiaire Collective homepage. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the sign in option prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, but for those of you who already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. After logging in, you should see an icon named Your Bag or something similar, depending on the device you're using. Click on this icon to view the items you've added to your cart. Now, it's time to move towards completing your purchase. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button you'll find there. This action will direct you to the checkout page. The page will typically show a few steps or tabs related to the order process. Look for the tab labeled Shipping and click on it. If you need to make any changes to your shipping information, you'll have the chance to click on Edit. Modify the details if necessary and ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. After confirming or editing your shipping information, you can now proceed to payment. Look for the button or link that says Continue to Payment and click on it. This will lead you to the payment section where you'll see different payment options available. Once you're on the payment page, there's a section labeled Payment or 3, Payment. Click on that and among the various methods, choose PayPal. Selecting PayPal as your preferred payment method will redirect you to the PayPal login page. At this point, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal username and password, then follow the prompts to confirm your payment details. After logging in and verifying your information, PayPal will guide you back to Vestiaire Collective to complete the final stages of the checkout process. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use PayPal to make a purchase on Vestiaire Collective. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your shopping experience easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.